Hey there, and welcome to Learn AI with Podcast. I'm your host, Manoj, and today we're diving into a topic that's not just shaping the future, it's already transforming the world around us: artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, when you hear the term AI, you might think of robots, self-driving cars, or even those voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. But AI is so much more than that. It's a huge field with different types of systems, each with its own abilities and limitations. In this episode, I'm going to break it all down for you. We'll talk about the different types of AI, how they work, and what they can do. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and easy to follow. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear understanding of what AI is, where it's at today, and where it might be heading in the future. So, let's get started. Types of AI based on capabilities. When we talk about AI, we can group it into three main types based on how capable it is: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. These categories help us understand what AI can do now and what it might be able to do in the future. Narrow AI, weak AI, the AI we use every day. Let's start with narrow AI, which is also called weak AI. Now, don't let the word weak fool you. This type of AI is actually really powerful, but it's designed to do just one thing or a small set of tasks. It's like a specialist. For example, think about Siri or Alexa. They can answer your questions, play your favorite songs, or even control your smart home devices. But that's all they can do. They can't suddenly start helping you with your math homework or cook dinner for you. They're smart, but only in their specific area. Another great example is the recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix or Amazon. You know how Netflix suggests shows or movies you might like? That's narrow AI at work. It looks at what you've watched before and uses that information to make suggestions. But it can't do anything outside of that. It's not going to help you plan your weekend or write an essay. The key thing about narrow AI is that it's focused on one task. It doesn't think or understand like a human. It's super useful, and it's already a big part of our lives, but it's limited to what it's been programmed to do. General AI, strong AI, the AI of the future. Now, let's talk about general AI, also called strong AI. This is the kind of AI that doesn't exist yet, but it's what researchers are working toward. General AI would be able to do anything a human can do. It wouldn't just be good at one task. It could learn new things, solve problems, and make decisions across all kinds of tasks. Imagine a robot that could learn how to play a new sport, solve a tricky math problem, and then cook dinner, all without needing to be programmed for each task. That's what general AI would be like. It would be able to think, reason, and adapt just like a person. It could even understand emotions and interact with people in a natural way. But here's the thing, we're not there yet. General AI is still just an idea, and it's going to take a lot of time, research, and breakthroughs to make it happen. It's exciting to think about, though, isn't it? A world where machines can truly think and learn like humans. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Superintelligent AI, smarter than humans. Finally, there's superintelligent AI. This is the most advanced type of AI, and it's completely theoretical right now. Superintelligent AI would be smarter than humans in every way. It could solve problems faster, create new inventions, and even understand emotions better than we do. But this kind of AI also raises big questions. If it's smarter than us, how do we control it? What if it makes decisions we don't understand? These are things scientists and ethicists are thinking about as they imagine what superintelligent AI could mean for the world. It's both exciting and a little scary to think about, right? Types of AI based on how they work. Now let's look at another way to group AI by how it works. This is about how AI systems operate and interact with the world. There are four main types: reactive AI, limited memory AI, theory of mind AI, and self-aware AI. Reactive AI, the simplest type. Reactive AI is the most basic kind of AI. It doesn't have memory, so it can't learn from the past. It just reacts to what's happening right now. A good example is IBM's Deep Blue, the computer that beat the world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. Deep Blue could calculate tons of possible moves and pick the best one, but it didn't actually understand chess. It just followed its programming. Another example is Google's AlphaGo. which beat a world champion at the game Go. These systems are impressive, but they're only good at one thing. They can't learn or adapt. They just react. Limited memory AI, learning from the past. Next, we have limited memory AI. This type of AI can learn from past experiences and use that information to make better decisions. Most of the AI we use today falls into this category. For example, self-driving cars use limited memory AI. They have sensors and cameras that collect data about the road, like traffic signs, other cars, and pedestrians. They combine this real-time data with what they've learned from past drives to make decisions, like when to stop or turn. The more they drive, the better they get. It's like how we learn from experience. The more we practice something, the better we become. Theory of mind AI. Understanding people. Theory of mind AI is a more advanced type of AI that's still being developed. The goal is for this kind of AI to understand human emotions, beliefs, and intentions. This would make it better at interacting with people. For example, there's a robot called Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics, that can have conversations and show emotions. Another example is Kismet, a robot from MIT that can recognize facial expressions and respond to them. These are early steps toward theory of mind AI, but we're not there yet. Imagine a machine that could understand how you're feeling and respond in a way that feels natural. That's what theory of mind AI is aiming for. Self-aware AI, the ultimate goal. Finally, there's self-aware AI. This is the most advanced type of AI, and it's purely theoretical right now. Self-aware AI would be like a human. It would know it exists, have its own thoughts and feelings, and make decisions on its own. This raises some big questions. If a machine is self-aware, does it have rights? How do we make sure it's used responsibly? These are tough questions that researchers are still trying to figure out. It's a fascinating idea, but it's also one that comes with a lot of challenges. Wrapping it up, so that's a breakdown of the different types of AI. From the narrow AI we use every day to the futuristic ideas of general AI and superintelligent AI, it's clear that AI is already changing our world, and it's only going to grow from here. As we keep developing AI, it's important to think about how we use it and what it means for the future. Whether it's helping doctors, making our lives easier, or even creating new possibilities we haven't imagined yet, AI is an exciting field to watch. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time for another fun and interesting topic. Until then, take care.